In this segment, we're going to talk about installing a based infant seat. As we've mentioned in previous segments, the seats have a slope to them designed for adult comfort, but this isn't conducive to getting the proper angle for your base. You want to refer to the manufacturer's instructions. You want to refer not only to the car seat manufacturer's instructions, but the vehicle manufacturer's instructions as well, which you'll find in your owner's manual. It'll talk about the proper placement and type of seat you can use. Since 1997, the vehicle manufacturers have been required to develop and provide a locking system for seat belts just for vehicle safety seats. This is an inertial locking belt, but it's switchable, which means if I pull it all the way out like this, it then switches into a locking retraction mode where it remains locked until it retracts all the way. I'm going to use that when I install this seat. Right here it says vehicle belt path. They're usually very, very clear as to where the belt goes. I'll take the latch, insert it into the buckle, and then tighten it. This seat itself has its own lock off. This little area here is a lock off. This will lock the belt if I slide it under there. Now, the trick to getting a good installation is to get your weight into the base. You put your weight on it. Take the shoulder portion of the belt, pull it snug. Sometimes it helps to rock the seat side to side. And then take the remaining belt, putting it under the lock off like that. And now you check at the belt path for side to side movement. As you can see, the base is now part of the seat. It's not moving. Most manufacturers will tell you it has to be snug enough so that you don't have more than 1 inch side to side movement at the base, at the belt path. Now you can grab this base at the outside and you can wrench it like this and you'll ruin your installation. So always check where the belt goes through. And now you can see the angle of that installation.